Hi, I'm Ashlyn with Mardel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use the 2024 Simple Plan Parent-Teacher Planner to help plan out your homeschool schedule. This planner has overview pages for years, months, weeks, and days. They're organized in descending order from front to back, starting with the yearly overview and ending with the daily schedules. It helps to begin by filling in the yearly overview section and ending with the daily assignment schedule. The overall schedule won't change much, but you may need to adjust the weekly and daily schedules as the semester progresses. We'll start with the planning section. Here you'll find dates to remember, student weekly schedule, yearly overview, and future planning. The Dates to Remember section is a 2-page spread showing a yearly calendar for 2024 and 2025. Beneath these are important dates to remember. Begin by drawing boxes around breaks, such as holidays and vacation days. Then, find your tentative start and end dates and highlight the weeks you'll be teaching. Use different colors and highlight in 9-week blocks. Under the calendars are sections for important dates. Write down birthdays, holidays, and other days. If you want, draw different symbols next to these dates, then draw those in the calendar. That way you can remember at a glance when these dates are. The student section has sheets for planning out their weekly schedules and curriculum for different subjects. It's divided into weekly and yearly schedules. This planner has multiple weekly and yearly schedules to schedule up to 6 students. On the weekly schedule page, there's a calendar with columns for time and dates. If you want to schedule a certain amount of time for different subjects, you can write their start and end times in the time column. The columns under different days can correspond to different subjects, extracurriculars, breaks, or meal times, depending on how in-depth you want to schedule. Beneath the schedule are 2 columns, one for subject and one for the corresponding curriculum. The next section is your yearly overview. There are 6 of these pages for scheduling 6 subjects. This chart is divided into 4 quarters for a total of 36 weeks. Label dates on these blocks and use them to schedule lessons, chapters, assignments, and tests. In the monthly sections, every month has a 2-page spread with spaces for things to accomplish, special activities, reading lists, prayer requests, supplies needed, and websites. After this is the calendar page, with space for writing extra notes. Next comes the weekly assignment tracker checklist. This calendar breaks the days into assignments. There's a column on the left for filling out subjects like math, reading, and science. On each day, write the chapters and work pages you'll cover that day. If you're teaching more than one child, use differently colored pens for each child. This planner has a student record section near the back. This is where you'll find pages for attendance keeping, curriculum trackers, and purchase materials. The attendance tracker shows a calendar overview of 2024 and 2025. Mark a slash through the days they're present and draw a circle around their absent days. When each semester ends, count up the total days present and absent and write them on their respective lines. Curriculum trackers are great for record keeping. They track the subject and grade, publisher, source, and prices for your selected curriculum. There's also space for any extra notes you might need to write. At the back of this section is a sheet for tracking additional materials purchased. The final section of this planner has a bunch of extra teaching resources: a grading chart, a suggested reading list by grade level, a salvation page, suggested scripture to memorize, an extracurricular activity tracker, and more pages for notes. This planner also includes 3 pages of floral stickers themed around birthdays, appointments, reminders, encouragement, and much more. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to leave a comment and share your experiences, thoughts, or questions. Have a great day and enjoy your homeschool life.